Morning. Where's Zuchi at? No, he's gonna join up. There he is.
Might as well just do perms at this point, bro.
I'm okay. You know what? I'm actually gonna do that. I'm actually gonna work on that before the market opens up. I literally thought I did it again, and somehow I did not. Permissions.
I just took a payout for like 2 bands.
Let's
Very happy with it.
go.
Okay.
Very happy with it.
Let's go.
Name is names.
Yeah. Tough, right?
Tough, very tough.
Very tough.
Alright, here's what I need you to do. Wait, let's try something real quick.
I took one trade on my live account, and then I get an email. You need to close your position. Immediately, dude.
now,
You need
Zero,
you need to close your position. I was like,
Streamsy?
okay, bro. I got you. I was like, dude, what? What?
Let me bring myself up now.
There we go. I was confused by that.
I was like,
why
well,
did it not let
what?
you?
What are we doing?
What's the plan, Kazo? The plan is to sit, wait for now, and see what Price wants to do off of the open, and then we will give it a shot. I'll be trying positions today. Yo, what up, everybody on YouTube? Good morning. Welcome in. $170 away from blowing. I'm gonna need some fire and trees if you want to keep this account. I'm gonna try my best, bro. I don't know. Holy.
Yo.
That's what up?
Yeah.
How you
What's up,
doing?
Rayon?
Finally.
Finally, fucking me. My bad. I don't want to get on for the 6 p.m. open gamble candle, bro.
Candle.
Okay. All right, so I'm expecting to move up. Whoa.
My chart's not loading.
So 4 hour.
Oh, wow.
We have an inside. I'm expecting a push up. We have a demand.
Let's get it.
We have a supply up here. Let's mark that real quick.
Trade for
Boom.
me. Dubs.
Also 5-minute supply. Whoa.
I mean, I'm gonna wait for now. We'll see after the open what happens. That's in literally a minute.
So we have 5-minute supply here too. So I'll mark that out. Expecting to push up, and then we can see how we reject from these highs, and then from there. Okay.
Yeah,
Open up all the way to the sky.
Ready. Nice break.
Again, immediate break and immediate push down. Fuck me, dude.
That's interesting.
We created a freaking gap. Crazy open.
Okay.
What is this candle? 20. Okay.
It's just open. Gonna have to wait for a little bit. Well, not 30. Let's do 15. At tops, it's like 15 cons. Oh, we filled the gap today. Huh. Whoa, that's too much. Just watching it for now, guys. Just watching it for now.
Setting up. It's setting up for those shorts.
Yeah, but that
Right
wick is
now.
crazy.
Yeah. I do want us to go up a little bit more though. Because I would want my stop to be at the high. Bro, I love how Jason is the first person to comment on my TikTok, on my YouTube. Holy, love this guy, dude.
I'm
He's
looking
a hustler.
4 accounts. So.
Okay, this breaks a 3 to the downside. I'm gonna take it.
Did you get your live account?
I did. I took one trade on it, and I get an email immediately. Exit your position.
Why?
They need. I guess Ninja Trader needed more information or whatever. I don't even trade it, but I was like, okay, Ninja Trader needs information, so I was like, okay,
We're
all
waiting
right.
They
for
can't
them,
trade
guys,
it yet?
we're waiting.
And then I tried to close it, and I couldn't. Access denied. I was like, yo, can like, I'm up 600. Can you like close my position? Fuck. I want a nice 3-bar entry. I really want a nice 3-bar entry. My thing. Of course I'm a fan. Have you ever seen something so bad? Nah, bro.
What do you call this candle, Rayon? The
I am
the
taking a
6
short
p.m.
here.
gamble candle.
6 p.m. gamble can
I'm taking a short here, guys. I'm entering into a short.
It's a
My
good level to
stop loss
short
is
here.
at 109. I want it to be at 109 flat. And I have my TP at. Just make sure that I have.
It's good for it. It is good for it. I'm gonna wait a little bit though. I want us to
1,000
tap into the supply again.
For TP is at 81. Entry. GC. GC shorts. At 15.99.5.
Where's your stops?
108. 109. Sorry, 109. 109 on the dot.
Okay.
And then 5109 is my stop loss.
And keep flying. Shit.
I do want to try it too, but I want to still.
Not really gambling.
No. No.
Someone said NQ is flying. Holy
Should just trade
30
NQ.
points. 30
That's what I'm gonna do.
points.
If I get stopped on low today, I'm gonna just swap to NQ and just.
Yeah, I'm on NQ, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
I don't know. I see GC going shorts.
Yeah.
If this,
But
if I
daily,
see a 3-bar break here soon, I will take it. I'm just wait. The reason I'm waiting so far, I haven't taken it, is we could potentially go up and retest that supply, but I just want a really good entry. Like I don't want to have any drawdown on my trade that I take. Oh, we'll see.
Base retracement to Fuji. Okay. Yeah. Exactly.
wow.
Okay,
20
that is a
ticks.
break of a 3. Okay, I'm in
It's
there.
30 ticks, guys.
No, these are evals.
It's 50 ticks. 60 ticks.
Hmm.
love how people just say like, "Oh, this is gambling." Just because Daddy told you to not trade open does not mean that I do not trade open. Does not mean that. Does not make it I'm gambling. I mean, sure, you say what you say though, bro. Keep playing yourself, bro. And tell yourself yes. That's fine. That's okay.
He never trades on a funded. Go back in the
Ideas and models.
go back in the IT videos, gang. I'm actually known for not trading evals on live, but I guess.
No, you only trade evals on stream, bro. I've never seen you trade a funded. Like, do you even have a funded account?
Yeah, you only see me trading
You're
it
the type of dude
live
to go
accounts.
Open, no, you're the type of dude to go say, "Alrighty, guys, let's open accounts together and full port them so we could pass them together."
Mm-hmm. And then lose on
And then
purpose just to
lose.
make them buy again.
Yep,
Mhm.
exactly.
That's how you guys make money. Split these partnerships, bro. Dude, that one dude that came up with that, bro. I don't even know how he did that. You guys take
Z
losing sick.
unprofitable question mark? I mean, hey. Look,
Let me tell you something about my life.
what? Tell me.
Nah, bro.
Let me know.
No way, Eddie versus you. No, if we get a clear break above this at 104.4, I will actually try to long. Not lie. Why y'all hating on Park? What the fuck did I say about Parkham, bro? I don't even worry about him, bro. I don't even think about him, bro. I heard he was talking shit though, but again, I'm not talking about him.
You know
You're
how
always thinking about him talking about
Alright, never
this
mind.
dude and shit like that, bro. Like again, with all due respect, the day that, with all due respect again to Parkham, because he said a lot of things that I've seen, and I've seen videos of him talking mad shit about me and ZZ. Okay, I've seen mad videos about him talking about me and ZZ. With all due respect, I don't have nothing to say about bro, okay? I don't have anything to say about bro. I don't want to talk about him because, yeah. I have videos, bro. I have videos of Parkham saying ZZ and Turbo are fake. They're two-faced. They're only cool with you because somebody said apparently, they asked him a question. He said, "Oh, he was only cool with us because of this, that." So again, it's chill, it's cool. We won't be cool anymore. I'm not the kind of person that to be two-faced for you. I'm actually the kind of person that'll be upfront and come to you directly. But again, please, guys, I'm not gonna sit there like at the end of the day. I'm not gonna sit there and tolerate. I'm not gonna go back and forth about it. It's none of my business. It's none of my business about him, what he does, how he goes about shit. It's none of my business. If you can call me two-faced all you fucking want, bro. But if you're thinking that I'm two-faced for not standing up and standing by you and saying, no, he is not faking his trades. He's not faking his payouts. My guy, what the fuck do you think this is? Am I stupid or some shit? No. I'm not going to stand by that. I'm an actual trader. I actually take real payouts. None of my fucking business, though. That's all I got to say, all right? Again, with all due respect to anybody out there. So, that's what it is, okay? I'm not going to sit there and defend someone. Whether it's me, even if fucking Z was to get called out for a fucking LARP, and people are like, yo, ZZ, you're a fucking LARPer, you can't show payouts. And I'm gonna sit there and say, oh, no, but my boy Z, that's my boy, bro. No, you guys can't say that about him. That it doesn't work that way, bro. You don't, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. So, again, I have nothing against him. I've never said anything bad about him. I've always stated facts, nothing else. But please stop mentioning this shit on my stream. It's nothing that I have energy for or the time for. Okay? And I'm not gonna sit there. People could come tell me, oh, you're not defending him, you're not, bro, I can't defend him. It's It's not about that. It's just you can't defend someone that can't be defended. That's it. I could defend and say, hey, don't talk shit about him. Don't say bad things about him. But it's none of my business. The allegations are as simple as just fucking pop open, bro. It's not hard to go on your dashboard and just show your fucking dashboard. It's not hard. I've done it. Z's done it. What? Stop trying to fucking justify shit, guys. Damn. Anyways, yo, we're failing to break below these lows.
I haven't broken the low of day yet, so.
They keep saying there's many people that keep saying that he's talking shit.
Bro, okay.
It's
Dog,
actually getting to my
bro.
like it's actually getting in my fucking head, bro. It's actually getting to my
A
nerves.
dog is gonna bark until you give him treats, or until you give him a bone.
Yeah.
All right, so just gotta let him be. That's all you gotta say, bro.
Content, bro.
It's actually getting annoying. I'm not gonna lie. It's like, bro, what the fuck? No, there's Mooney. There's people that send me videos of him talking, and I'll make sure. Like again, I'm not gonna bash him, but yeah. And then you have people in my comments. They're like, yo, why don't you defend him? Why don't you defend him? That's why you're fake. That's why he's not lying to you.
How do you defend a scammer, for fuck's sake, dude? Holy. Like, if he can't defend himself, how can I defend you? What?
That's the point.
How does that make sense? If you can't provide details to defend yourself,
How do you
if
expect
you
me
have
to
no
defend
case
you?
yourself, how is somebody gonna have a case for you, bro?
No, I'm two-faced. Again, if Z is right here pulling, like if someone comes up to me and says Z's LARPing, okay, I'm gonna sit down with Z and be like, yo Z, can you prove? Z says yes. Cool, respect, got you. Let's get on a call, everybody. Let's get it done.
Want me to nuke his server again?
Bro, like, come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Yo, I
You
sick
can't
it him.
defend
I
someone like
sick
that.
it
You guys
him.
can call me fake all you fucking want, but you can't defend someone like that. And then if you're foolish enough to not recognize that, it's on you, bro. That's on you. That's not on me. And again, the fact that he's talking shit about me and Z behind our backs, not even fucking knowing about this shit, calling us whatever the fuck, that's on him. That's his agenda and that's his grudge. None of my shit. None of my business, bro. Let it be.
I'm CJ, by the way. Who's CJ?
W bigger man.
If I wanna compare myself with someone, at least I'll compare myself with someone that's doing better than me, bro. With all the respect. Okay? Comparison is the thief of fucking joy, no?
Who that keep into the window?
You can't.
Thank
kick
you, broski, thank you.
Dart, why does Dart say some of the most random, bro? This guy be.
I could send you some shit you wouldn't believe. Yo, what do you got on him, gang? Whoa. What the fuck? Whoa. Yo, what the hell? Say the word?
Opinions
Nah.
on wealth charts? Oh nah, bro, I can't use it, gang. It's horrible.
Say the fucking word. I was his old mod.
Yeah, he told me. I
Oh.
saw his messages come through, but no, bro. Like, we're not gonna go over that.
Jeez.
Are you married?
Jeez.
Bro, I'm 23. I'm turning 24 this month, guys. Sheesh.
Wait, you and ZZ?
With
no.
ZS.
Wait, Z, wasn't your birthday March like
15.
15, and I'm March 30.
15.
holy tough?
Bro, I know so many people in March. My brother is in March 5. I know another person who's in March 20th.
That's
So
pretty
many
close
March
to that.
people.
I'm born
Oh.
2002, March 19. Sheesh. 24 with that hairline. You know what? Fuck you, bro. You know what? Fuck you, bro.
I'm March 23rd.
That's funny.
You
That's
know what?
two.
Bro, what the fuck?
Yours the 15th, mine's the 14th. Happy birthday. Oh, yo, happy birthday to you, gang.
What is this 15-minute close?
What is this
What?
fucking movement? Oh my
Are
lord,
we
what is
just
that
gonna
15-minute close for real?
chop?
You see that, right?
Damn.
Yes,
Holy.
but
Oh
Gold
god.
could pull a
That's
Naruto
unlucky, no?
move and then Jujutsu Kaisen all the way down and then Jujutsu
Okay.
Kaisen all the way up a 3 bar.
Okay. Okay, whatever that means.
Bro. You know, Zuchi,
Yeah.
you know when GC enters flow, what's gonna happen, bro?
So it's gonna go. Whoop.
It's gonna go bleep, Dadu.
No,
Yeah,
when GC enters flow mode, or flow or whatever the fuck they call it, some shit. Is
If you help
shit.
bouncing
It's just
real
wild.
quick. Oh, Barzy, can you trade MQ please? I need 1500 to pass my E-ROM.
The GT3 or GT3 RS or a Turbo S. I mean, hey, GT3 RS gang. If you got the money
Oh god.
for it, just do it.
Right now. Yo, that flip is crazy by the way.
Yep.
I'm not falling for this bullshit again. That yesterday BS.
Yeah, me too.
So
If it closes above this high, then I will literally take a long. I would reverse my position for a long. I'm not even joking.
I'll probably, if it stops me
Okay,
out here, I'll
here
probably
it
give
is.
it one try to the highs.
If it closes above this, guys, I'm literally gonna try it out for longs. I'm not even joking.
I'll just have this supply
Let's
sitting
see.
up there, so I'm gonna wait for that. See how we react off of
I will
that
reverse
supply.
position. Yeah, I will reverse position if it closes above this. The reason why I wanted shorts is because we kind of failed to break above that high. So we failed to close above it. We failed to break above it, right? If we are closing above it, I am in for a long for sure. I'm in for a long for sure, for sure. So, just depends on what we do here. Still no close above. Still no close above. No. I will legit reverse position. I'm not even joking. Because if it closes above it, that's all I need. That's enough confirmation for me to take it into a long. Alright, yep. Alright. I'm in a long actually. Matter of fact, I'm in a long on this. I'm reversing position, guys. I'm in a long on this. For a push back up. Higher. For a push up higher. I was basically 800 bucks. I'm gonna enter in with 5 more contracts. For a buy. Let's do a buy. 5 more cons. I need 17 contracts. There we go. Perfect. Stop loss would go right below this low. Let's do 17. 17. Sell stop. Yep, there it is. Oh, actually, I don't even need to stop this low. No, this is right here. That's more than enough. Because we closed above it, so that for me is enough confirmation for a long continuation, more than anything. So we'll do 800, and then we need 2800 in other words. So we need it above this high. So we need it to go up to here. So limit. I'm flipped, Z.
Eddie's.
Alright.
You guys.
I'm just looking at the supply to see how we react off of it. I might try shorts again. Still interested in shorts. But I'm gonna give it one more chance up there.
If it stops me on that, then I'm done. I'm not gonna trade it. Because I'm reading this wrong. But I see if it closed above this high at 106.1 or 104.1, sorry, then I don't see any reasons for us to push lower. So for me, if I'm getting stopped on that, then I'm done. I'm just not gonna trade it for the rest of the day. No. For a push above to 5122.7. So the fact that we closed pretty much above this high, which is where kind of we started wicking on the tick chart, is what kind of gave me that confluence to say, okay, you know what, this is what we want to go ahead and push up higher. And this is the idea behind it. So I do want to add maybe 2 more to my position here. Actually, I want to buy 2 more contracts. Won't hurt. 19 cons. 19 stops would go right about here. Yeah, that's fine. And take profit can go about 2,800, so just about here. 28, 29. Alright, there we go. Perfect. Let's do 19. Boom. We'll do 19 over here too. Boom. Again, if I'm reading this wrong and price keeps pushing down, then obviously my thesis or my I guess my analysis when it comes to breaking above 104, closing above 104.1 did not work, and I would take an L and just step away, and that's it. That's that for me. But other than that, I have no reasons to go in shorts right now because we closed above it. We see right here, if you guys see it on YouTube as well, we see right here this candle, it did close above. Did not just wick, like this candle just closed above, immediately rejected right after. This candle closed above, got a break, still wicking instead of this range. So we could consolidate here, but I would want to see us break out to the top side and push up higher. So that's that. But yeah, if I had the right bias on the shorts, then I would just pretty much need to journal that and then understand what I did wrong, and that's it. That's all. But I see this for a move back up. Since we closed above 104, it's 104.1. That's definitely, for me, it's definitely a move back up. That's what I see. $6.1 SL at 5098. Cool, there we go. Okay. FOMO question mark? FOMO question mark, maybe? Maybe. Still not the craziest selling, so I'm okay with this. This is more of treated as a pullback than anything. This was more treated as a pullback. What I'm low-key afraid of is it comes down to this demand. Like, was kind of tests it out and then it just bounces back up. That would be fucking frustrating, bro. But hey, it's okay. Be ready. Yeah, you could say so. I'm waiting for now. Let's see. Okay, I'm adding one more contract. Just to kind of secure myself 3K of that TP. If we push up there, that'd be solid. That's where it's at. Boom. copy over there. Cool. Whoa. Like, what's the strategy, hopes, and dreams? Yeah, basically, bro. Basically, it's hopes and dreams. It's like taking a trade and just saying Bismillah, and then like, God, please bless this trade and make it hit TP, and that's it. You know. That's exactly what you do every trade. You know, whenever you take it, say Bismillah, and then you take a buys, and then you take Inshallah, and you sells, and that's it. Trading emotions, lol. I don't think like. I genuinely am surprised of how many people are like illiterate in the trading concepts and the trading terminologies and stuff. When someone has like emotions running through their head, you will see them tweaking out, jumping and shit. Do you see me doing that? I'm literally chilling in front of you, doing absolutely nothing, and just chilling. How do you see emotions being in control of that? Please, please don't just grab up words to make yourself look smart, because you're not. You're gonna look even dumber. Let's see. Still bullish buys because we closed above 104. So I see this as pull back more than anything. The fuck? We need a good push up here. Oh god. If this candle sells off more, then that's it, yeah. This is what I'm low-key afraid of, is it pushes down to these lows and then just bounces right back up. That would be so fucking annoying, but hey. I just have to journal it and go, whoop-de-dooped, I did wrong, and that's it. That's all I could do. Let's make sure, like, let's get these guys. Look, these are the guys that talk shit, okay? These are the guys that are talking shit, by the way. Let's check real quick. These are the guys that are talking smack. These are the guys that are talking smack, okay? These are the guys that are talking smack. Look how dumb they feel whenever you do something like that. This guy right here, okay? Make sure you guys are, sitting there and watching him, okay? Okay? Where'd he go? Oh no, don't leave. Oh no. Oh no, he left. Oh no. No. Damn it. It's okay. You should have not left, bro. It's okay. Don't be mad, bro. It's okay. It's just a joke. I was just playing around. It's just a joke. These are the guys that hate, yo. I don't want to hear it, bro. It's okay. Alright, let's see right here. This is the new 30. This is the first 1 minute off 30. Oh, God. Let's see. Once we start bouncing up, if we do bounce up from here, then I'll move my stops to just that low right there that we just made. And then I'll just let it be from there. Once we break out of this high, then I'll go break even. And that's it. That's the only management that I could do to it. By the way, this trade is copy traded across 4 accounts. So That's the shittiest open on the 1 minute that I've ever seen. But that's fine. That's what I'm saying. They would hate because they're like, oh, why would you flex a good month? Motherfucker, you don't have one. It's your fault. I mean, shit. You're just ass at trading and you don't have a good month. It's not my fault. Shit, hate me, fucking, for all I give a fuck, bro. Oh. Alright, I'm out of that. Let's see. I'm down 2,400 on accounts. So, I don't think I'll be trading for a day. But yeah. Motherfucking, you get people that are like, oh, well, you know, you rent them, whatever. Yeah, of course. So, doesn't matter. You're just mad that you don't have an account, you don't have payouts. It's okay. It's completely normal. It's completely normal. When was the last time you saw a hater log in to their Rise and see 10K in their account? Never. But you see them on TikTok hating on people's lives instead of doing shit. So, yeah. Let's see what it does here. Let's see, look at this guy. He said he got cooked and he got fried. Let's check this guy real quick. Alright.
It's a term you may have never heard before. Looks maxing.
So it looks like it's a community where
This
you
guy
are
is
going
looks
to maybe
maxing.
pick up some tips for living a healthier life, maybe modifying.
You're a dude looks maxing, huh? You're the one that's hating, right? You're a dude looks maxing, right? You talking to me? And you're out here looks maxing, bro?
Your parents.
Grown men. Grown men. Get your money up, bro. Instead of looks maxing, get your pockets up, and that's it. That's all you need. Trust me. A lot of things happen. A lot of things will change. What did he say? He said, look at the payout. Let's see. Let's see. Where's the payout? Let's see. There's no payout, bro. There's nothing on your screen. There's nothing on your page that shows payout, bro. Am I blind? Chat, what the fuck? I don't see nothing about him getting a payout. I just see one post and that's it. Huh? Yeah, I don't see none of your posts, gangs. So. Damn, boy, is the Arabic Christmas? We'll see. We'll see what it does here. Because I'm not trying to force the position back in and just jump back into a long or short or whatever. I'm just not going to do that. I'd rather just wait for now. Yeah, that's why I'm not going to tolerate it, bro. Whoa. Alright, let's see. That's what I'm afraid of, is it comes down to here, it does not even fucking break these lows and it just bounces up, bro. That would be annoying. That would be so annoying.
Just go down.
I got
just
stopped on the longs.
all goes up.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Well, I entered in a little bit above 104 at 106,
I mean,
but
the demand is where I would want to enter longs, right here.
that's
Like
what I was
this.
kind of watching for, but shit.
Yeah. I'm still in the shorts.
You're still in shorts?
Yeah, I'm still in shorts. Well, I'm copy trading. One of the accounts did not exit me from the first position. So
Yeah.
one account end up adding more after I took another position. So that one is sized in with 12 contracts. So that one is probably gonna do something if we get a spike or some shit. It's probably gonna be over for that account.
Sheesh. Yeah, I don't think I'll trade this, to be honest. Yeah. Go with shorting. It's not doing much though. You see, look, I can't take it for a short and I can't take it for a long now. It's like I was expecting a break off 104 and we hold it. We keep pushing above. Nothing happened. So okay, well we fail 104. We come lower. Nothing happens. So none of those. Nothing happens. So yeah. Do tour trades. Trade line, yeah. Maybe that's not a bad idea.
We need a drop here. We need a drop here.
Look at NQ.
Flip. Flip. Red. Come on. Let's reject these highs. Let's reject these highs.
So I was like,
Be a good boy.
not wanting, but it is.
Be a good boy. Run away.
So there's always ass. Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
There's a guy named Preston that is just fully hating. Okay. Okay. This guy right here. Yo, bro. One thing I got is more payouts than your daddy's fucking income. Okay. I don't want to hear it. While he's slaving his ass to work every single day, I'm over here taking a fucking couple trades, doing my own thing, and guess what? I will crash out on him. Okay? I get payouts wise, just payouts wise, okay? Mog his ass, okay? Okay. So I need you to be a good boy and tell your daddy to do something better with his life. Okay? Instead of raising something like you. That's it. Alright. Let's not keep going with the hate, right? Alright, alright. Alright, cool. Let's real quick just to kinda go over something together. Sign in. Okay. Go over here real quick. We go here. Let's just do certificates instead. No need to show these real quick now. We'll show these. Oh, they've all been paid. Damn. Let's see something real quick. Hold on. One sec. Let's make him look even dumber. Hold on. One sec. Let's make him even look dumber. Just have your dad join the mentorship, bro. I'll make sure that he's a good person. I'll make sure that he quits his job, bro. I got you. No big deal. Okay? No big deal. Let me mog him real quick. Let me enjoy, bro. Hold on. Where is it? Okay. Does it not show any personal data? Oh, it does not. Does not show any personal data. It doesn't show any personal data. Okay. One last part before we do anything crazy. Oh no, I'm sorry. I don't mean to flex on you that hard, bro. My bad. I'll just stop from here. Okay. Anyways, going back to it. Okay. Going back into it. Okay. That's scam money. What the fuck? How are people seeing dashboard from top steps as scam? Alright, bro. Whatever you guys say. Yeah, you win, bro. You win, bro. You win, bro. You win. You win. You win, bro. You win, gang. You win. Inspect element going hard. Nah, that's crazy, bro. You really think I'm doing inspect element? Wow. What up, Twin? What up, Nitro? How you doing? Bro, it's crazy. Oh, nah. Inspect element goes crazy. That's wild work. I logged in front of you, bro. What the fuck? Nice WAP payouts. I have not even showed a single WAP payout, bro. And if you hate me for making money off of WAP payout, well, you just, again, it's on you, bro. Again, you can hate me all you want, bro. It's all good. Just tell your pops to come. I have a job offering for him, bro. Yeah, this Loki just got fucking stopped for a move back up. Payout for payout, turbo, bro. Nobody even know your goofy ass, bro. For me to go payout for payout, at least build up your name or some shit for me to go do that, bro. You don't. You're not even known, like, bro. Why do people think that there's some shit, bro? Like, I'm just gonna stop reading the comments, gang. I don't want to get rage baited because I feel like these motherfuckers be trying to rage bait me, bro. You got some Delulu guy, bro, that nobody even knows. He's like, yo, guys, let's go payout for payout with turbo, bro. I'm like, well, what the fuck? Nobody even know you, bro. Like, what? Who the fuck are you, bro? Please. Please. Okay. For the people that want me to see the comments, just go on YT. I'm not gonna read the TikTok ones because they're just a bunch of kids, bro. I'm okay. It's just a bunch of children.
My YT is hating more than
I'm
my
seeing
TikTok.
kids, not even like grown men. All you do for your life. That's why a lot of people fail in life. That's why you see so many failures in this generation. Holy shit. I'm legit in competition with their dads, not even themselves, bro. That's actually insane. Like, I'm not even competing with the kids my age. I'm competing with their pops because all they do is just get on TikTok lives and hate. Damn, bro. Must be sad. Must be sad that your life is just that. But I'm not gonna get rage baited, so I'm not reading the comments on TikTok. If you guys want to see, I'll be on YT in there. I'll read those. I'm so fucking pressed that gold broke 104. Came back down to 95 to stop me out. Let me see where my stop loss was at. Hold on. I'm actually curious on what my stop loss was at. No, it wasn't there. What the fuck? Hold up. That's sad. That's just crazy. I'm gonna short 114, watch the snipe. Sheesh. Are you reading the comments? No, I'm not reading them on TikTok, bro. There's just a bunch of kids hating, dude. It's like talking to a bunch of kids. I'm good. And the moment you catch a dub, they'll just go MIA ghost. That's like the worst part. Is like, actually, I'm genuinely impressed. Like, how do you even do that to yourself, bro? The moment you catch a one dub, that's it. They just go quiet right away. They're like, right away. But yeah, can't rage bait someone that just does not give a fuck. Let's see. I'm so pressed with this, bro. Fuck, dude. Why would it? Man. And I had a feeling I wanted to move my stops to this low, but it just didn't make sense to me.
50Ks. 50Ks on TPT. They're both evals right now. First three right here, I just need one more day. So today we just enter a trade and we leave it after these. After we see what happens with this trade right here. I'm just gonna take this freaking green thing out because it's just confusing. Yeah, I was just gonna enter a trade and then get out. This is actually so slow. Trend is your friend. Trend is your friend. Trend is your friend. Your mom is my friend. Whoa, 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 hold on.
Whoa!
Pause.
No, I'm not. Don't let the hate get to you, bro. It's all good.
Nah. Oh no, I'm just saying. Nobody said that. I'm just saying.
No, relax,
All right, breaks is high, so I'm gonna be out because this is just pointless. This is stupid.
Okay, nice flip here. I'm gonna try it one more time here. Maybe with 30 cons though, I'm not gonna lie. Not even 30 cons, any more than that. Fuck, I'm not gonna take that. That'll be breaking my rules actually. Turbo GC 4-hour up trigger. Yeah, I know, I see that. So the up trigger, whenever it comes to this, if you notice, like sometimes we'll have it where it breaks and closes above it. Yeah, I could respect it, but then if it doesn't break and close above it on the tick chart, on the candlestick chart, then I just don't trust it, to be honest with you. So it just depends on how it closes above or below the 4-hour trigger. That's when I would take it or not. I might take it, I might not. I'm just waiting for now. Because the setup is there, it's just I don't know if I'm being a little bit too emotional because of the stop out or not. I just want to be patient. I'd rather wait. I'd just rather wait, to be honest. Okay, let's see. So stops would go right below the low we just made. What time is it? 49. Sheesh, we have an hourly coming up soon. Yeah, I would not want to take it. No. How do I add my stop loss and take profit when I'm on trading view? You right click and then you add it depending on the contracts that you have. So you could put the contracts here if you want, or you could just click it and then that adds. And then you could change it from here too. Shit, let me get rid of that quick. Okay. I might low-key wait for a retest off of this low right here for me to take it. Which we are coming towards right now. I don't trust it, dude. I don't trust it. I don't trust it, to be honest with you guys. I just don't want to trade it for the rest of the day, so I don't think I'll be trading. I think I'll just let it go. This is the level I want to long from, though. Yeah. 1 hour supply now? What the hell are you seeing? Yeah, I don't think that holds, bro. I don't think that holds. I think we keep pushing up till 129, and then or 130, and then we dump from there. Just like we did yesterday. Just like we did yesterday. When we did that yesterday, it was pretty clean for it, so yeah. Right idea, just not the right time in the market, I would say so. It is what it is. This week has been shit though. Okay. Let's see right here quick. Matter of fact, I might try this. I might try this. Let's see. Maybe. I'm not putting a limit yet. I'm just waiting. But I might try this. So, give me a sec. Let's see. Okay. I'm in the long here. Gonna try this. One last shot. My stop loss is actually right over here. Okay. This is definitely taking me out. Alright, yeah. I'm done for the day. Yeah, I'm done for the day. Okay. I'm not reading this right. I'm obviously getting shit on. Nope. Not it. There is no fucking way you do this again. There's no fucking way. No, wait. There's no fucking way. There's no fucking way. There's no fucking way. There's no fucking way it does that again. I don't see this for shorts anymore. I see it for the long play all the way to 118 because we closed above 104. There's no fucking way it does that. I'm gonna wait for this new hourly. Please be wrong. Please, like, I want to be wrong. I genuinely want to be wrong. I want it to flush down. I want it to take a shit. I want price to go down all the way to, like, fucking, I don't know, 180. Just go down. Oh. There's no fucking way. There is no way. Please, yes, flush. Yes, flush. All the way down to like the 80s. No. This was my entry. Stop loss was right over here. Because this below this demand. So, below this stuff. Let's see. Going again? No, bro. I'm not gonna keep forcing this. I'm just gonna watch it. Let's see shorts. Take shorts, bro. Take shorts. I don't see it for shorts. Once we broke 104, I no longer saw it for shorts. That's it. Once we closed above 104, it was no longer shorts bias for me. After that, just kind of pivoted. That's the whole wick area you could say that we made over here. Let's just watch and see. Let's just watch and see. Yeah, that's solid. Just don't wick. No, it didn't do. It didn't hit the stop loss twice. It, yeah. That's done. Kaboom, kablow, kaboom. I just lost my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. No. Go deposit on stack, bro. No, I genuinely wanted to flush. Like, I want to be wrong on my bias. Please. One more minute to the new hourly. Please, I want to be wrong biased. My bias, I want it to be wrongs. Like, I want to be like, fuck, I should have stick to my shorts. I want to say I should have stuck to my shorts. I'm not worried about the haters, bro. They're just talking to themselves. That's what I'm saying. You just gotta let them do their own thing. They could yap all they want. Doing this for me. I'm not doing this for them, bro. Yes, please. Yes. 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 Okay. I'm happy. I am genuinely happy. Okay. I had. Okay. Now I know what to do. Okay. That's solid. Did you see the dump, Z?
Actual fuck. I'm in, yeah.
You're in the dump? Huh?
Yeah. What the fuck is happening right now?
Oh my god, bro. They flipped finally. I was using 104 and I was looking at it. I took another long, okay? And it literally tapped my stop and it flew right back up. It tapped my stop again and it flew back up. Twice. Started crashing the fuck out. But now when I see this dump, I'm happy. I'm okay with it. That's fine. I had the wrong bias and I could just fucking sit there and go over that. That's it, bro. 3 times, sorry. Hit stop loss and it bounces back up. Bro, I swear, wallah, I'm grateful that I did this. Alhamdulillah. I would rather be wrong on my bias and just understand what happened than just tweak out because of volatility or some shit. I don't know. I hate wicks. Because this, I would just be so disappointed in this, bro. Your early intuition is right. Yeah. Maybe the break off 104 was not the right move. Eddie just long before this. I saw the same thing he saw. If not, I'm not gonna lie. I saw the same thing he saw at 104. When we broke 104, I was like, yes, we were longs, right? And then when we failed 104, so when we had this right here, we failed 104. Said, yeah, this is shorts. This is going. It's gonna come right back down to 63.5. You know, the 60s, all the way to 51.9. So yeah, we're solid for a short move down. But we came back up right here. We closed above it, right over here. Closed above 104, right? We did not leave a wick. We still traded inside of. I said, okay, you know what? I had the wrong bias. You know, we take a short. I mean, we take a long. Sorry, we take a long, not a short. Guess I was wrong on that. Maybe that's the only thing I gotta look at now. So yeah, Eddie just got liquidated. Yeah, I'm not surprised. The longs was not the right call. The longs was not the right call. But yeah, alrighty guys, I'm done. It's been an hour. I think I'll just completely step away for now. I might not trade tomorrow. Maybe trade PM session with you guys. Maybe not. We'll see. But I'll see you guys back on tomorrow. Everybody, take care. But yeah, see you guys. Take care. Alrighty, YouTube. Really disappointed with the outcome for this week. It's not the craziest price action, not the cleanest price action, but again, could have been a lot worse, honestly. Been just trading evals mainly. That's it. I've been trading fundeds. Just been leaving them. Usually towards the beginning of the month and towards the end of the month, I don't like to trade any fundeds. I'd like to trade evals only, so it's fine with me. I know I did get a little bit of rage baited today. I'm not gonna lie. I was kind of pissed, but I'm blessed to have basically just trade another day, to be honest with you guys, because not a lot of people are fucking doing this shit. I'm showing you guys the reality of it. Yeah, I'm gonna show the hard truth about it. I'm not gonna try to sell the mentorship and the course and Discord or whatnot, and that's it, and just get my sales out of it. No, I'm gonna just show the reality of it. This is the truth. So, hope you guys liked the video. If you did, if you're new, drop a subscribe, and we'll see you guys back on